Numbers and shapes. Activity 5. What's the pattern? Your child will benefit from this lesson by helping to reinforce routines, identifying patterns in the environment.
The patterns we have of our lives, our routine we do every day. We have other patterns in the house. Okay, how about the tiles? Look at the tiles on the floor. How about this? What is this?
Go on a pattern hunt around your house. Look for patterns in upholstery fabric, flooring, windows, wallpaper, curtains, bricks, blinds, tile, and light fixtures. Describe a few of the patterns for your child and make sure he or she sees the pattern. Now ask your child to find and describe different patterns.
What color is this?
Orange.
Okay. Why don't you put them in the right color where they belong? I've got green over here, kiddo.
Oh.
Okay. So those are all orange.
One.
Say all orange.
All orange.
And what color are these?
Green.
All green. You need to put those, where do they go? Apple, orange, apple. What comes next? No. And orange comes next, sweetie. Orange, okay. Can you say them as you put them out? Okay, here we go. Apple, orange.
Apple, orange.
Okay, what's next? We had a basket of fruits, and I said, okay, how about we put out, and he knew what oranges. I said, what is this? An orange, and this is an apple, and this is a banana. And I said, okay. So we put it in that order, so then it's orange, apples, and banana. Can you continue the pattern? And then he looked at me and he thought, orange? I said, yeah, what's first? And then it was orange, and it was amazing to me that he knew exactly what I meant, but he did not understand what the word pattern meant.
Apple, orange, apple, orange, apple, orange, apple.
Good job. Okay. You want to put these back?
Apple back, apple back.
In kindergarten, children will create, copy, and look at patterns to decide what comes next.
Let's play a game.
Yeah.
Let's start with the dinosaur. Can you put a dinosaur out there? Right there. How about action figure? Nope, we're gonna try to do a pattern here. Look at this. I'm gonna put a dinosaur.
Kill them.
Yeah. Look at that. There's a dinosaur, and then let's put this action figure. What comes next? Good. A variety of patterns, also helped him recognize how many things, different items he had. So in that sense, will help him in his math. By counting, 3 apples, 3 oranges, 3 whatnot, he knows that there's 3 of each. He even got to count them. I said, well, how many oranges you have? 1, 2, 3. How many apples? 1, 2, 3. Same thing with forks and whatnot. So that definitely enhances his math because he's counting. You like playing with both, don't you?
Patterns are made up of sequences of color, movements, objects, shapes, sizes, or sounds. Patterns are part of children's everyday life and can be found in furniture, clothing, decorations, and artwork. They also are a part of your child's morning, evening, and playtime routines. Mathematics is the recognition of patterns. As children learn to see and make patterns, they begin to build a base for further understanding of repeatedly adding the same numbers, multiples, and multiplication.
Brown. What's next?
Burgundy.
Very good. Burgundy. Oh, well, I guess there's 2 browns left, right? But look at that. Stick to it, and they'd be surprised because this was a wonderful lesson for Katie, and I know that there's a lot of kids out there to help too.
Access our Parent Center at ReadySetSchool.org. Find an around-town calendar, an idea exchange to share tips with other parents, and a resource directory to make the lessons all your own.